Well, just moving this from the shelf to here, this thing is heavy as hell. I think that's probably why the motor's not so good. I think the extra weight. I think extra weight's actually, I don't know if it's killed the motor or it's not making the motor run right, but yeah. Might just give it a quick clean out without stripping it and test it out again. It could just be the mud on it. So I'll do that first before I strip it, to see if this motor is still in good running condition. Yeah, see from there. So this is the before. Doesn't look like there's too much mud on there though. I know the wheels have got a fair bit caked on there, but it just feels heavy. Yeah, anyway, so here we go. So what I did was cover up the air filter and we'll give it a quick wash and quick test run. See what happens. So I did a quick clean. It starts up alright. So I just went for a quick drive up and down the road, dry it out a bit. Goes good. I think that extra weight did kill the power on this thing. Still feels boggy down low. I don't know if it's a clutch issue, but I'll check that. But yeah, at least it goes good now. It's hitting top speed, top revs. So I can easily say now that that extra weight was what was killing this motor from going. With the little amount of time that I used it, I put some boots on the rear cups, just with some cable ties, and they're still there. They survived. So probably only went for about maybe 20 minutes. 20-minute run last time before we ended it. So it's still pretty good. Something good. This held up alright. Oh, it's coming off a little bit. I'll have to put some more glue down there. Yeah. Time to dismantle. Oh, I forgot to clean it underneath. Damn it. A little tip, I reckon. When you want to undo any of these bolts or screws, whatever you may call them, make sure that they're not filled in. All these are like half full of dirt and sand and whatever. Don't jam your tool in there, your Allen key or your hex key, what do you want to call it, and try and turn it. Always try and clear it out first. Clear it out so then you get a good bite when you're trying to undo it. I've rounded off so many of them because I've tried to cut corners and get the good tool. Get the proper Allen key or hex drive with nice sharp edges on it so it grabs the full thing, not something that's worn. I used to use this thing for a bit and over time it's worn out, and I used to undo it with this, and I'd always strip it because this was worn. So I always try and get a good tool to at least start it off. That's what I do, just to start it off, just so you can break the seal. Once you've broken the seal, you're laughing. It doesn't really matter so much. But that initial seal needs to be broken with a proper tool. So it goes right in. There you go, right in. Because I put Loctite on mine. I don't put Loctite. I put Loctite on a fair bit, not on everything. But when it's metal to metal, I try and put Loctite on there. So I crack the seal, make things a little bit quicker. Done. I've left the top mounting point off my mesh plate. I left that on because that's going to support the motor while it's up on the air like this. So that's that. Pretty easy. So yeah, this thing here, I'm sure you can see it, yeah. That was what, actually it wasn't really holding it. I think it was more mostly the exhaust. But normally I don't undo this first. I don't know why I did this time, but yeah.